Hi, welcome to Sandhya's Kitchen. In this video, let's see how to make Hyderabadi Kichidi using an instant pot. So it's a very simple recipe, easy to make and very nutritious for kids. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 slit green chili, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, whole garam masala, half a cup of Masoor Dal soaked in water for around 30 minutes, 1 bunch of mint leaves, 1 bunch of coriander leaves, salt to taste, 1 onion sliced, and 1.5 cup of sona masoori rice soaked in water for 30 minutes. I'll also provide the list of the ingredients in the description box. Now let's look at the Instant Pot settings. Turn on saute mode and let it be in normal temperature and let the inner pot heat up for a minute or 2. The inner pot is hot, so now I'm gonna add oil into this. Let's wait for a minute or 2 for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add your whole garam masala into the oil. Once the shahi jeera splutters, add green chili into this. Once the green chilies are fried, add onion into this. I'm going to cook these onions till they are translucent. To fasten the process, I'm going to add salt into this. The onions are fried well, so now I'm going to add ginger garlic paste into this. And let the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste go away. To fry it well. So the ginger garlic paste has been sauteed well in the oil. Now drain all the water from your soaked masoor dal, and I'm gonna add this dal into this oil and I'll let it fry for 2 minutes or till you get a nice aroma. So once you notice the color change and the aroma, that indicates that the dal is fried well. So for half a cup of dal and 1.5 cup of rice, I'm gonna add around 3 cups of water into this. You can experiment with the water and rice ratios depending on the kind of rice you use, and just mix it thoroughly and make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom of the inner pot. The newer instant pots have a very sensitive burn sensor, so make sure you deglaze it well before closing the lid. And at this point, please check for salt. After you add water, add mint leaves, add coriander leaves, and now drain all the water from your rice and add rice into this. Level the rice. Don't mix it too much. Now close the lid. Turn off saute mode and turn on pressure cook and set it to 6 minutes. And make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. So I have let the pressure release naturally and it took around 30 minutes for the pressure to come down. So now I'm gonna open the lid. And fluff this a bit. And Hyderabadi Kichidi is ready to be served. You can notice how it's not mushy and the rice is not sticking to each other. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked this video and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye and have a good day.